Okay, so the first segment is Who Am I? The first voice recording is for Revati. Here you go.
प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 2 पर आने वाली लोकल में क्या आपके बाप बैठने वाले?
वापस बच सकता है ये?
रो से करिए।
सिद्धांत पटेल?
No.
Go, Prajesh.
Ansh.
Yes.
What?
Go, Nanda.
क्लियर था।
Okay, so the next recording is for Danish.
May I have your attention, please? Train number 54085 with destination to Rewari
Gauri.
Junction.
हाँ
हाँ तो बोल ना
गौरी
तेरा।
No.
नहीं शिट और कौन है?
I know।
मुझे भी आता है ये।
No.
पास
Go, Vishal.
कल्याणी।
No.
मैं बता।
Go, Revati.
साक्षी।
Yes.
अरे बाप रे इसकी ऐसी आवाज।
Okay, so next one we have Vishal.
आपका आगे 30 पर आने वाली लोकल 5:10 की धीमी लोकल है। ये लोकल अकबरबाद जाने वाली है।
That's it.
बहुत ट्रिकी है।
Pass.
बस ले लो। हाँ पास।
Revati, go.
आदिल?
Prajesh, go.
Rashid.
No, wrong. Prajesh, go.
No.
My guess was Adil, but apparently not.
It's
अदित भी।
Adit.
सनील।
सिद्धांत?
Adit.
सिद्धांत?
Adit.
अदित में बोला।
आदित्य बोला उसने स्टार्टिंग
क्या
में।
अदिति बोला?
Oh,
अरे अदिति।
correct. Okay, next is for Prajesh, ठीक है?
Do not travel on the train tops. It is dangerous to life. Please do not throw garbage wrappers, papers, etc. around on the platform. Station is your property. Please help us to keep it clean.
That's
बहुत इजी है ये तो।
guess?
Can I get a replay?
No.
No.
No. ये simple था.
बहुत simple.
Is it Anmol?
Yep.
यस क्या इतना टाइम लगा।
अरे मेरे को मैं नताशा और अनमोल के बीच में कंफ्यूज हो रहा था।
So our segment is who is more likely to, and our first question is who is more likely to zone out in a meeting? Any meeting, physical meet or Zoom meet?
Okay. Next question. Embarrass the other person by saying all the wrong things.
Lie without getting caught.
Yeah, I don't never do that.
lie
Without getting caught.
एक भी आंसर्स।
रेवती please, whom are you kidding?
मैं हमेशा सच बोलता है।
We'll get to it later, okay?
Okay, next. Has excuses for everything.
Revati forever.
Actually, Revati.
कितना
Next,
मस्त ठहरा बनाया मैंने इसका.
cry because they had a fight.
Yeah, again. I don't even need to pick up a different paper.
Okay, next. Never answer your call or text on time.
Danish.
रेवती मेरा नहीं उठाती.
रेवती उठाती है, तू नहीं उठाता.
Okay.
So, never have I ever stolen money from my house.
जो इधर नताशा हंस रही है मतलब उसने किया है बट उसको बताने का नहीं है.
Go ahead.
बहुत बचपन की बात है.
Never have I ever went to a strip club.
Adit,
इसका आंसर बाद में आएगा. इसका आंसर
Adit पीले.
Go Adit.
Well, GTA में गया वो, that counts.
मैं उसके लिए भी है.
Next.
Never have I ever farted in an elevator and pretended it was not me.
Oh, shit.
Aman
Pradesh.
Pia. Well, everybody does it at some point.
Yeah.
Okay.
तेरे से नहीं हम
Next.
लोग.
Never have I ever eaten dog or cat food.
ये नताशा तेरे हरकतें हम नहीं करते.
Aman
हमारे घर में कैट हमारा खाना ही खाती है.
ये क्या लॉजिक हुआ?
ये लॉजिक है ना भाई. तू प्रणाम.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Never have I ever got a bashing from Adit. Natasha, feel it?
चेंज करो क्वेश्चन. चेंज करो. ये क्या पर्सनल अटैक नहीं रहता है. ये पर्सनल अटैक नहीं अलाउड है इधर.
तू ऐसे हरकतें करता ही क्यों है ना मतलब.
अरे देखो फोकस मिलेगा ऐसे लाइमलाइट
नहीं चाहिए मेरे को ये फोकस नहीं चाहिए.
Exactly.
मेरे को ये लाइमलाइट नहीं चाहिए.
बहुत मस्त है. वो दानिश.
Okay. Never ever I ever puked on someone while he or she was drunk.
Yeah, never have I ever.
Puked on someone.
Puked on someone when he or she was drunk. भाई मैं 2 बॉटल खत्म कर देगा उसमें.
Go
और रेवती ने किया रहेगा.
पिया भी ना उसने.
So never have I ever told a lie to skip a road track event. अमन तो तू चुप ही रहे. कितना झूठ बोल.
अरे
ये क्वेश्चन के लिए तांबे होना चाहिए था. ये क्वेश्चन के लिए सिद्धांत होना
फिर से
चाहिए.
बोलना पी लेगा.
Aman,
इसका
go
अमन का
next.
बाकी है ना.
Yeah. So never have I ever danced with random strangers in the club.
Okay. सबने की है.
Let's start.
Okay. Silly Billy. So the first question is I get wet when I dry. Projesh.
Towel. Towel. Paper towel.
Okay, next
वही
question.
जीतने वाला है.
What month of the year has 28 days? Prajesh.
All months.
प्रोजेक्ट में बोल रहे निकल.
Okay.
Okay.
Next. What belongs to you but other people use it more?
My name.
Yes.
इसको निकालो रे. सच्ची में बोल.
मैं दिल बोलने वाला था.
Next question.
हाँ.
What is full of holes but still holds water?
Sponge.
Yes.
Wow, I'm so good at
ए,
this.
इसको
मैं
निकालो
human body
यार.
बोलने वाली थी.
Okay, guys, third segment, that is Simon Says. Vishal, go
मैंने
for
एक क्वेश्चन बाकी था.
Edit.
पूछ लो
पूछ लो भाई, वैसे भी प्रोजेश ही आंसर करने वाला है.
ऐसा कर सकते हैं क्या? प्रोजेक्ट को म्यूट कर डालेंगे और सबका एक एक आंसर कर डालेंगे.
हाँ, करते हैं वैसा दानिश.
हाँ.
इसको वीडियो ही ऑफ.
मेरे को निकाल ही दो ना, मैं चला जाता हूँ.
जाना निकलना फिर.
मैंने इसको क्वेश्चन पूछ.
तू पूछ ले, मेरे को याद नहीं है.
अच्छा ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What can jump higher than a building?
पूरा क्वेश्चन तो बोल. यही है क्वेश्चन.
हाँ हो गया.
A building cannot jump, so anything can jump higher than a building.
Yes.
मैं उठ के जा रहा है.
मैं
प्रोजेश मेरे लिए खेल ले.
One good deed. So we'll go with Danish, then Projesh, then Revati, and then Vishal. Okay? Cool? Go Danish.
So the one good deed was actually I'm doing that. There are two cousins of mine. I'm actually helping them, to guide them on education level पे. So this is supposed to be our project also, which will be coming soon in again the PD Avenue. So the idea is basically तुम अपने जितने भी younger cousins हो गए, तो उनको siblings हो गए, तुम उन लोग guide करो how can they develop in a year where let it be any learning some new courses, learning some new sports, education system में हो गया. So we can track in 1 year उन लोग कितना grow away from let's say starting from today. So this is one of the good deed I'm doing.
Go Projesh.
I had lost connectivity for a while. Could you please repeat the question?
Even on the third segment, that is one good deed. So you're supposed to say something that you're doing and something that you're passionate about.
Okay, so currently I'm not doing anything good, to be very honest. I'm just sitting at home and chilling in the pandemic. But one thing I would like to do is bring about a positive change in the society with the help of my profession, which is dentistry. So I would like to, using Rotract as a medium, I would like to conduct large-scale awareness campaigns, drives, checkups, whatever possible in my capacity with the help of few wonderful juniors which I have in the club. So I'm sure we'll form a great team and get down with it. So that is one of the things on my list.
Go Revati.
Okay, so I'm not as such working towards any good deed, which can count as a good deed. I'm not working on anything as such. But one thing I'd like to change and work on is the kind of people that we are becoming as Rotractors. So there's a lot of competitiveness in our Rotract clubs also. So just changing the perspective of people towards this movement would be a very good deed according to me. So and I am in a way I'm working on it. Yeah.
Go Vishal.
Okay. Currently, अभी तो कुछ नहीं है एक good deed, but last year I was associated with one of my college का ये, so where we built a library for a school. जो books collect हुआ था वो students, it was an underprivileged school, and उसका school painting में हम लोग ने help किया था. I was just a volunteer, visited it, and yeah, अभी तो प्रेसिडेंटशिप है. I have a year long to मतलब बहुत कुछ करने को मेरे पास opportunity है. Hopefully by the end of the year I am very happy and proud that I have achieved something in that.
Amazing, guys. Thank you so much for being a part of Chai Shai with Retractors. It was fun.